So,
My name is Elena. I'm from Russia.
yeah,
It's amazing.
you like it?
Yeah, it's a very specific place, very particular place in the world.
Yeah,
We did birds watching, we did insects watching at night. One day we had a hike in the jungles and discovered different plants. A lot of time on the boat. One day we visit an indigenous community. Met people over there, had local food. It was very interesting experience actually, and met a shaman. Twice we saw sunset
yeah.
on the Amazon. Wow, it's the best time of the day. Yeah, my experience here is very pleasant. I'm vegetarian and it's a trouble. And here it was very convenient. Guys took care for me all the time and they even asked, do you eat milk? I told, yeah, I can eat it, but I prefer without milk, and they started to cook just for me without milk. And without meat and without everything. Yeah.
That was it good?
Yeah.
Great. Thank you. Thanks a lot.